Hi kids! Do you know the properties of addition just like commutative property of addition? That will be our lesson for today. Properties of addition. 1. Commutative property of addition. The order of the addends does not affect the sum. Assuming that I have 1 and 2 apples. At the other side, I have 2 and 1 apples. On my left are 3 apples, and on my right are 3 apples. Pareho lang ang bilang, di ba? Upang mas malinaw, isusulat natin ang bilang ng bawat apple. Dito sa kaliwa, nauna ang 1 at sumunod ang 2. Dito naman sa kabila, nauna ang 2 at sumunod ang 1. Nabago ba ang bilang ng mga mansanas? Siyempre, hindi. The order of the addends does not affect the sum. At yan ang commutative property of addition. Let's have more examples. The order of the addends does not affect the sum. The second property is what we call associative property of addition. The grouping of the addends does not affect the sum. Now let's demonstrate. I have 1 apple, another 2 apples, and another 3 apples. Ang tanong, ilang apples meron tayo dito? 6. At sa kabila naman, meron tayong 6 din. Kapag pinagsama natin ang 1 at 2 mansanas, ito ay magiging 3. Yan ang tinatawag nating associative property of addition. The grouping of the addends does not affect the sum. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Ano naman kaya ang mangyayari pag pinagsama natin ang 2 at 3 mansanas? Ang 2 at 3, ito ay magiging 5. 1 apple plus 5 apples is equal to 6 apples. Ito ang associative property of addition. The grouping of the addends does not affect the sum. Let's have more examples. The third property is what we call identity property of addition. This is also known as zero property of addition. Any number, when 0 is added, the sum is the number itself. Walang nabago. Let's demonstrate. This is the zero property of addition. A number, when 0 is added, the sum is the number itself. IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.